खुलुमबाय लोगोफोर आं मोननैसो आपडेट लाबोदों बे भिडिअखौ नुनानै जोबोद दुखु मोनदां जोंनि बर'फोरखौ जेरै मोनै एरै खालामनो नागिरथारबाय नामा मानसिनाव खामानि थायो गोबां खामानि थायो मा सान मा हर जों जेरावबो बेरायनो हायो जोंखौ जेरै मोनै एरै खालामनो नागिरथारबाय नामा दाउसा फारौफोर बायदि बुग्लिलाबायनो नागिरनाय बिदि जायो नामा बे भिडिअखौ नुनानै जोबोद दुखु मोनदां
না আপনি মারামারি করবেন না ভাই মারবেন না লিখি তাকো ফালকে
लोगोफोर इयुथ फेस्टिवल बड'लेण्ड इउनिभार्सिटियाव सोलिगासिनो दं जायफोरा बे प्रग्रामाव बाहागो लानो गोसो दङ अन्नानै फैथारदो आरो गाबोनहाय रबिबार बे रबिबारनि प्रग्रामाव सासे गिदिर सुबुं फैगोन जायखौ नोंथांमोना मिथिखागौ सुबर्ण आइसाक बारि बे बिथाङा रबिबार 4 बाजियाव मोनसे प्रग्राम लादों जों गासैबो स्टुडेन्टसफोरनि थाखाय नोंथांमोनहाबो खोनासंनो गोसो दंब्ला फैदो मानोना बिथाङा डक्टर साइन्टिस्ट मेथ्स फिजिक्स साइन्सनि स्पेसियालिस्ट आरो जोंनि उन्दै उन्दै गथ'फ्रा जायफोरा मेथ्स साइन्स फिजिक्सआव गोसो गुदुं बे बिथांमोना बे प्रग्रामाव बाहागो लाफैथारनांगोन आरो खायसे खोनासंनायजोंबो सोलोंनानै लानो हायो नुनायजोंबो सोलोंनानै लानो हायो बेनिखायनो जाय बिथांमोना बे भिडिअखौ नुफ्लांदों शेयार खालामनानै होदो जायफोरा बे प्रग्रामाव बाहागो लानो गोसो दङ अन्नानै फैथारदो आरो गाबोनहाय रबिबार बे रबिबारनि प्रग्रामाव सासे गिदिर सुबुं फैगोन जायखौ नोंथांमोना मिथिखागौ सुबर्ण आइसाक बारि बे बिथाङा रबिबार 4 बाजियाव मोनसे प्रग्राम लादों जों गासैबो स्टुडेन्टसफोरनि थाखाय नोंथांमोनहाबो खोनासंनो गोसो दंब्ला फैदो मानोना बिथाङा डक्टर साइन्टिस्ट मेथ्स फिजिक्स साइन्सनि स्पेसियालिस्ट आरो जोंनि उन्दै उन्दै गथ'फ्रा जायफोरा मेथ्स साइन्स फिजिक्सआव गोसो गुदुं बे बिथांमोना बे प्रग्रामाव बाहागो लाफैथारनांगोन आरो खायसे खोनासंनायजोंबो सोलोंनानै लानो हायो नुनायजोंबो सोलोंनानै लानो हायो बेनिखायनो जाय बिथांमोना बे भिडिअखौ नुफ्लांदों शेयार खालामनानै होदो आरो खिन्थानानै होदो
I would also like to know, what is the festival about? What is the main theme of the celebration?
It is called Inter-College Youth Festival, where the students of the affiliated colleges. The Bodoland University has got about 60 affiliated colleges under its jurisdiction. So all these colleges, the students who are studying in the colleges, they will be coming to the university to participate. And in this festival, youth festival, we have different types of competitions where our students will be participating. So that is how this program has been arranged. And what we are planning is that, as we have heard that you are planning to visit our university, for you we have scheduled a program on 18th of February, which happens to be the last day of our festival. So in that very program, there will be an interaction session for an hour where you will be there as our guest.
Great. So I'll make sure to hopefully meet the needs of the audience. Going from JFK, I will be departing on February 16th. I will be arriving in Delhi on February 17th. And so that means that I can make it to Guwahati on February 18th. Now, from what I heard, it's a little far from Guwahati to Bodoland University. So I think the map said it was 4 hours, but I may be wrong. So is there any way to escort me from Guwahati to Bodoland University, or do I have to do it on my own resources?
No, it is planned like this. You will be arriving at Guwahati Airport. It has been planned from the university to receive you there at the airport. Some of our faculties will be there at the airport to receive you there.
Right, thank you. So that addresses my concern. So also, is there a specific topic that you would like me to cover during the interactive session, or does anything work?
Yeah, as I have mentioned that the students who are coming from the colleges, they are very, very young. They are studying in the college. Their age ranges from say 18 to like 21, like that. So this age group people will be there in the festival, and along with that, our students, those who are doing their masters, and those some of them they are doing research. All of them they will be here together. So they will be interested to listen to you, and hopefully your presence in the program will definitely make it a different one, what we are looking for.
Great. Thank you. So I'm definitely looking forward to interacting with that audience. Most of the time, I only interact with audiences under 18 or much older than 21. So it's great that I'll be able to talk with people who are actively researching or studying in college.
Right.
All right. So those are the main concerns that I have. And also, have you scheduled a specific time of day?
Yeah, the date which we have fixed for you, it is 18th of February, and the timing of interaction is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. It is about 1 hour timing that we have provided for you there in the session. So that very interaction session will be just before the valedictory function of our youth festival. So where all of us getting together there. So their interaction program will be, and at the same time, we have also invited some of our guests from the locality. They will also be there.
This is Pranesh Devnath here again. So on 19th of February,
Yeah, Mr.
the local the BTC government has arranged a felicitations and interactive sessions with you, with the local school students. So that will be starting at 10 a.m. to 11:30 on 19th of February. That is being arranged by the government of BTC, headed by Pramod Boroji.
Thank you for letting me know, Mr. Dednath. I will try to deliver the best experience I can.